In today's video, I am going to teach you how to get reviews on your Klaviyo emails. The goal of this setup is to automatically send a message to customers after they place an order, encouraging them to leave a review. Timing matters here, because you want the customer to have had enough time to receive the product and experience it. By placing a delay after the trigger, you can improve the chance that customers respond. To get started, go to your Klaviyo account and look at the left-hand menu. Find the section labeled Flows and click it. This is where you manage automation sequences like welcome series, post-purchase messages, and review requests. Once you click Flows, you should see an area where your existing flows are listed, along with options to create something new. Next, move your attention to the top right area of the screen, where you will see a button that says Create Flow. Click Create Flow to begin a new automation. When you create a new flow, you are building a workflow that starts from a specific event and then performs actions automatically. So this is the step where you set the foundation for your review request email sequence. Now, when the setup options appear, select Build Your Own. This choice gives you control over exactly how the flow is structured, rather than using a pre-built template. Take a moment to confirm you are choosing the option that lets you design it from scratch, because that will align with the steps you are about to follow. After that, you will need to set the trigger. Look to the left side of the flow builder and find the option All, then click it. This area is used to browse and choose what type of trigger you want. You are going to filter through trigger types, so your flow starts at the correct moment. From there, select Metric on the left and choose Placed Order. Placed Order is the event that represents when a customer completes a purchase. It is the perfect trigger for a review campaign, because the review request should only go out after a purchase has actually happened. Once you select Placed Order, the flow will be configured to start whenever that event is recorded for a customer. With the trigger set, you will now add a time delay so the email does not send immediately. Click and drag a time delay block under the trigger. In the flow builder, blocks are arranged in sequence, so placing this delay directly under the trigger ensures it happens right after the order is placed, before any email is sent. Nonstop delay time to 14 days. When you set it to 14 days, you are giving customers about 2 weeks to receive the product, use it, and form an opinion. That usually results in more thoughtful and more reliable reviews. As you adjust the time delay, make sure the setting clearly shows 14 days because small differences in time can affect when customers receive your request. Take a quick moment to review the flow structure on screen. You should be able to see the trigger based on placed order, followed by the time delay block set to 14 days. At this point, the automation is properly staged for the review request step that would come after the delay. Even though you are not adding the email step in these specific instructions, you have already completed the important setup portion that determines who enters the flow and when they receive the message. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.